in front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Sound and Vibration over here. Now tap on Haptic Vibration at the top to turn them on or off. Scroll down. Click on Vibrate Vocals and apply one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. Whatever you decided, hit OK to apply your changes. Then tap on Sound and Vibration here and pick Vibrations if you wish to enable them by pressing Power or Volume and Volume Up together. If you don't want to do that, you can select Off or Silence. Wherever you decided, hit OK. Now you can click on this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to turn on or off this feature. Lastly, go back, scroll down to Access Special Function, scroll all the way down to hit Accessibility, and scroll down again to finally access Vibration and Haptic Strength. Now you can click on all of those options and turn them on or off, like ring vibration, notification vibration, and touch feedback. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!